Hi to all traders and welcome back to another video brought to you by Orbex. So not only a new trading week but a new trading month has begun, and we're looking slightly concerned about the US dollar kicking off this October period, as in the last few trading sessions gold has risen roughly by about $50 on the back of slightly concerning demand. We've got ISM data later today that is a little bit concerning for America. We've got the NFP data, depending on the outlook that you've seen is supposed to be a little bit more subdued than the last reading. So it could be that we are in for a slight move on gold and possibly pushing up to that magical 1700 psychological handle in the near term after it's dipped so low, not only this year, but actually since the start of the collapsation, which we'll look on the charts shortly. But at the moment, we're just seeing what's in store for the yellow metal and also looking on silver today as well. So let me know your thoughts. What are you looking at the US dollar for the next quarter, because we are now seeing what can be in store for not only commodities but the FX currencies as well, the major ones. So let's get right into it then. As you can see here, like I said, since the collapsation started roughly at the beginning of March, when we had the Russia-Ukrainian conflict begin, we've seen this move to the downside, very strong waves here, and we are now seeing possibly another pickup, but this pickup could actually be extended a little bit more, possibly up to the last turning point to the upside, so above 1700 at least, and we can see what's going to be happening possibly for the next few trading sessions after what we've seen on the RSI is a slight bullish divergence. As you can see, it's very strong onto the downside here for the asset price. However, if we look on the 4-hour chart and with the assistance of the Ichimoku indicator, we are now seeing possibly, most interestingly enough, a move back up to the upside that we've seen recently. But this could continue because, as you can see here, we are trading above the Ichimoku cloud now, which gives us a good movement possibly to the upside, and then we'll be looking at these highest highs in the near term. As I said, 1700 psychological handle is possibly the next target, only $40 away. If we move $50 in a couple of sessions, there's no reason why that can't be done as well. So this is something we're just going to be looking at as a whole, because the yellow metal that is gold is expected to start moving quite significantly, especially with this US dollar that's possibly found a bottom in the near term as well. So just moving on to silver as well, moving pretty much in tandem with gold. But if we just bring it back to the hourly chart as well, as you can see here, we are now still looking at when we will start picking up prices. It's not as depressed as gold at the moment, because we are seeing on the daily charts, as I said, since the middle of March approximately, we are seeing this consolidation area. It's a little bit choppy, but as you can see here, we are still striving for these fresh highs roughly above the $20 mark, and if that does come into fruition, we could see another push even higher as well. So let's just get into the nitty-gritty then. As you can see here, with the assistance of the Ichimoku indicator, we are seeing a little bit of resistance on the lower border, which gives us the impetus that we could have another leg lower. I'll just remove some of these drawings, it's a bit easy to see. So we could actually hit another slight snag in the road, but evidently we are expected that prices will take another push to the upside as well. Like gold, we seem to have found a bottom in silver as well, roughly about the mid $17 range. So if that is to come into fruition, if that is going to actually happen, then we could see another move, as I said, on this bottom, and then a move up to the up to the upside as well. So we'll see what happens in the near term for that, and obviously we'll keep you updated with all the asset classes, all for gold, silver, and also we'll be looking at oil as we enter Q4 to see what the opportunities are then. So join me tomorrow for the next video, and we'll speak again then. Bye for now.